in GeoGebra.org, construct a square inside a circle so that the corners, or the vertices, touch the circle. Here's an example of what that would look like. So let's just start fresh. Okay, so let's just make a circle. Now you probably want to pause the video at this point and try a few things on your own, because it feels better when you figure it out on your own. So go ahead and pause the video, and then you can start it up again, and I'll show you how to do it if you run out of ideas to try. So I'll just create a line from the center out, and it crosses the circle, so I'll intersect where the circle and the line cross. Then I will create a line that is perpendicular to this line that I just made through point A. We know how to do that with circles. We found out that if we went an equal distance from A and made circles with the centers at one and the edge at the other, and if we intersected those circles, then those 2 points can be used to make a line that goes through A perpendicular to the previous line. Now we need to intersect this new line and this original circle to get us this point I. Now I'm going to hide some circles. Some students have shown me a better way to hide things. So as I select these little buttons, I can see highlighted different features of what I've drawn. I want to go ahead and hide those 2 circles. I don't even want to hide those lines. I just wanted the points. I can hide some other points like F, C, and G. I don't need B. Well, maybe later on I will. So I'm going to make line segments. Okay, if I stretch the circle, the square still stays in it. If I move the center of the circle, the square still touches at the corners. But you might say, how do you know that's exactly a circle? We could measure things. Oh, right here. We could measure distances. We could measure the distance of H to E, and from E to B, and from I to D. Those all have equal lengths, so that may convince us that it's a square. Also, we could measure angles. That's 90 degrees. That's 90 degrees. That may convince us that it's a square. Anyway, so go ahead and try that if you haven't already figured out a way on your own to construct a square inside a circle.